Okay, quiz 9, question 2. All right, you decide to begin selling lightsabers at a local park. Your cost for each lightsaber is $1.81, plus you have to pay a fixed weekly fee of $230 for the booth. Your plan is to sell each lightsaber for $2.95. Okay, write an expression to represent your total cost for the week if you sell N lightsabers. Okay, what I did was I made a copy into Word, and this is the same question. So you want to write an expression for the total cost, correct? Okay, so what is that? Well, if you check your equation sheet, you will find that the expression for the total cost is equal to the fixed cost plus the total variable cost. All right, or if we can break that down to even simpler to look like this, total cost is equal to the fixed cost plus the variable cost, okay, times, let's use this multiplier here, times n in this case, all right, because we're using n for the number of lightsabers. Okay, so that would be n in there. All right, so where do we find the numbers? Well, the numbers are already in the question. So let's see, the total cost would be equal to, all right, the fixed cost is where? Yeah, fixed weekly fee of $230. So that is the the fixed cost is 230, and the variable cost is how much? Well, it's this here, this 181 here. All right, so 1.81. So we go 1.81 n, lowercase n, and this would be the function that would give us the answer. So let's put that back in there into this box here. So it would be 230 plus 1.81 n. Okay, so there we are. All right, now what's the expression for the revenue? Okay, so revenue is, how do we get the revenue? Well, we do what? We take the, the formula for the revenue or total revenue is TR is equal to what? S times X, okay? S times X, but in this case it's N, right? So what is that now? Okay, if we put that in the terms of what is in the question, TR would be equal to, S is for the selling price, so we want to sell each lightsaber for $2.95. All right, okay, sell each lightsaber for $2.95, so TR would be equal to 2.95 times N, and this would be the number for the total revenue. All right, or the function, sorry, or the expression, 2.59 n. Okay, so let's go back and we'll put that in there. So this would be 2.95 n. All right, so let's go down here now. Write an expression that represents the profit for selling n lightsabers. All right, so the profit, how do we get that? Well, we have to do what? Well, we have to go and get an expression that has the profit in it. So that one would be, if you consult your equation sheet, which is right here, this is the one with the net income right here. All right, okay, so I will put that in here. This would look like, let's put it up there. That would look like what the total revenue is equal to the fixed cost plus the, sorry, let's undo that. It would be that plus the total variable cost, okay? All right, plus the net income. All right, so with that, we can go down to here, and the total revenue, what did we have? Well, we have it right up here, 2.95 n. That would be equal to the fixed cost. Okay, now we had an expression, fixed cost plus the total variable cost. So that would be this expression, this fixed cost plus total variable cost would be 230 plus 1.81 n. So 230 plus 1.81 n, right? Plus the net income. All right, so what will come after that? After that, we will have the, we can rearrange it and put it as 2.95 n minus 1.81 n minus 230 is equal to the net income. Right now, this will be acceptable into the answer. You could leave it like that, or you could simplify it further and put it in as what? Well, you could go to the calculator. 2.95 minus 1.81 is equal to what? 1.14. So in here, we can put instead 1.14 n minus 230 is equal to the net income. Okay, so this would be the expression. Either of these expressions would work. This one here or the one just above that, which should be this one right here. Okay, so both of them will be accepted as the answer. So let's do that. We can put that in here now, back into the answer. Let's go back here. All right, so what do we have? We have, we put in the 2.95 n minus 1.81 n minus the fixed cost, which was 230. Okay, minus 230. And that would give us answer. All right, so, okay. Now, in order to, how many light sabers must you sell in order to make a positive profit? Okay, now that is really the break even. So let's go up here and let's use the calculator. Okay, so we go second, 6. And what's the fixed cost? Well, the fixed cost is this 230 right here. So 230 and we enter. And then the variable cost is the 1.81 here. Okay, 1.81, enter. Okay, now P represents the selling price. Okay, so the selling price is 2.95. So 2.95, enter. Okay, the profit, because it's break even, it would be 0. And the quantity we computed, and we get 201.75. So it has to round up to 202. So this answer here would be 202. And how much would you have to sell to make a positive profit? Well, you would have to sell at least 202. So let's go. We get the answer. And there we are. All right, now we should fix this because we said it could take either of two answers. So let's say we try the 1.14n, right? And let's see if it marks it correct. And let's go there, and it does mark it correct. So there we are. So that's quiz 9, question 2, and these are the answers. All right, we'll stop the video there.